Hey everyone, it's Clinician Mahar. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Whether you're a long-time follower or new to my channel, welcome. Today, we're diving into something incredibly important and often overlooked, our health. Did you know that 70% of health problems can be prevented with just a few simple daily habits? It's true. Many of us think that staying healthy requires drastic changes or expensive treatments, but that's not the case. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements in our overall well-being. You don't need any crazy diets or intense workout routines to make a big difference in your health. In fact, sometimes the simplest changes are the most effective. Imagine swapping out that sugary snack for a piece of fruit or taking a short walk instead of sitting for hours. These little choices add up over time. It's all about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Think of it as a journey rather than a destination. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. And the best part, you don't have to do it all at once. Start with 1 or 2 changes and build from there. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 practical health tips that you can easily apply today to improve your well-being. These tips are designed to be simple yet effective, so you can start seeing benefits right away, from nutrition to exercise to mental health. We've got it all covered. We're going to be focusing on heart health because a healthy heart is the foundation of a healthy life. Your heart works tirelessly to keep you going, so it's crucial to take good care of it. We'll explore ways to keep your heart strong and resilient, from the foods you eat to the activities you engage in. Whether you're already pretty health conscious or just starting out on your wellness journey, these tips are for you. It doesn't matter where you are right now. What matters is that you're taking steps to improve. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes, so let's jump right in. Get ready to take notes because these tips are going to be game changers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to boost your health and feel your best. Let's get started and make today the first day of a healthier, happier life. All right, let's talk about exercise. Exercise is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It helps you maintain a healthy weight, reduces your risk of chronic diseases, and improves your mental health. But it can be hard to get started, especially if you're not used to being active. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Exercise? Ugh, that sounds exhausting. The thought of sweating it out at the gym or running for miles can be daunting, especially if you're already feeling tired or unmotivated. But here's the thing. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be fun and enjoyable if you find the right activity for you. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. The key here is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. When you do something you love, it doesn't feel like exercise. It feels like play. Whether it's dancing, playing a sport, or hiking in nature, there are so many ways to stay active that don't involve a treadmill or a gym membership. Think about it. If you hate running, you're not going to stick with it. Forcing yourself to do something you dislike is a recipe for failure. Instead, focus on finding an activity that makes you happy. Maybe it's swimming, cycling, or even gardening. The important thing is to keep moving and have fun while doing it. But if you love dancing, put on some music and move. Dancing is a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Plus, it's a lot of fun. You can dance alone in your living room, join a dance class, or go out dancing with friends. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoy being outdoors, go for a hike or a bike ride. Being in nature has its own set of benefits, like reducing stress and improving your mood. Plus, it's a great way to explore new places and get some fresh air. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or biking through a park, you'll be getting a great workout without even realizing it. Even just taking a brisk walk every day can make a huge difference. Walking is one of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise. You don't need any special equipment or a gym membership. Just put on a pair of comfortable shoes and start walking. You can walk around your neighborhood in a park or even on a treadmill if the weather is bad. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. The key is to get your heart rate up and keep it up for a sustained period of time. If you're new to exercise, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you get fitter. And hey, it doesn't have to be 30 minutes all at once. You can break it up into smaller chunks throughout the day. For example, you could do 3 10-minute sessions or 2 15-minute sessions. The important thing is to get moving and stay active throughout the day. You can break it up into smaller chunks throughout the day. Take a short walk during your lunch break, do some stretching exercises while watching TV, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Every little bit adds up and can help you reach your fitness goals. Remember, the key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine, so get out there and start moving. Let's be real, we all love indulging in our favorite treats every now and then, and that's totally fine. Depriving yourself completely only leads to cravings and unhealthy relationships with food. The key to a healthy diet is balance. Focus on incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your meals. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Chapter 3. Manage stress. We live in a fast-paced world, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by stress. But chronic stress can take a toll on your heart health. That's why it's crucial to find healthy ways to manage stress. Think about it. When you're stressed, what makes you feel better? Is it listening to music, taking a warm bath, spending time with loved ones? Find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Chapter 4. Sleep well. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's just as important for your health as diet and exercise. In fact, sleep is a fundamental pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Without adequate sleep, your body and mind cannot function optimally. When you sleep, your body gets a chance to repair and rejuvenate itself. This is the time when your muscles grow, tissues repair, and your brain processes information from the day. Sleep is essential for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and emotional stability. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. This amount of sleep allows your body to go through all the necessary sleep cycles, including deep sleep and REM sleep, which are crucial for physical and mental health. To improve your sleep hygiene, try to stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Maybe read a book, take a warm bath, or engage in other calming activities. Avoid screens and bright lights at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Or listen to calming music. Soft, soothing sounds can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Consider using white noise machines or apps if you live in a noisy environment, and make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. A comfortable sleep environment is key to getting a good night's rest. Use blackout curtains to block out light and keep the room at a cool temperature. If noise is an issue, earplugs or a white noise machine can be helpful. Additionally, be mindful of what you consume before bed. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals in the evening as they can disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're hungry. Regular physical activity can also promote better sleep. Exercise helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common barriers to a good night's sleep. However, try to avoid vigorous workouts close to bedtime, as they can have the opposite effect. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation or mindfulness can also be beneficial. These practices can help calm your mind and prepare your body for rest. If you continue to have trouble sleeping, consider keeping a sleep diary to track your patterns and identify any potential issues. This can be a useful tool to discuss with a healthcare provider if you need further assistance. Remember, quality sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. By prioritizing your sleep, you can improve your overall health, mood, and productivity. So take the steps needed to ensure you sleep well and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Chapter 5. Hydrate. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health, including heart health. Water helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and flush out waste products. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Outro: start small, live better. So remember, stay active, eat balanced, manage stress, sleep well, and hydrate. These 5 simple tips can make a world of difference in your heart health and overall well-being. If these tips helped, don't forget to hit that like button and share this with someone who needs it. Let's spread the message of healthy living. Stay tuned for next week's video, where I'll break down how to boost your energy naturally. Until then, take care and keep those hearts healthy.